Steam traps keep your system efficient, but when they fail, they often do so undetected, with a surprisingly high impact on your business. Steam traps that fail open leak steam continuously, driving energy losses, higher bills, and unnecessary CO2 emissions. Traps failed closed lead to condensate buildup, risking unplanned downtime, process disruption, and equipment damage. Maintaining any trap matters, and critical traps matter more than most. With our wireless steam trap monitoring WSTM service, powered by Connect, critical traps are monitored 24/7. Imagine a steam trap installed in a typical boiler house. If it fails, it may not be discovered until the next steam trap survey, which could be several weeks or even months away. Thanks to WSTM, Connect alerts engineers immediately to its failure, enabling repair or replacement within days. By continuously monitoring critical traps, our WSTM service also provides enhanced data visibility. It allows users to monitor failure trends across their steam traps, helping them spot issues earlier and prioritize corrective action where it matters most. Regular consultations with our expert steam engineers help users diagnose root causes and target further optimizations. WSTM can cut energy waste by up to 93%, which may explain why we've already connected over 12,000 traps to the system across many different industries. Ready to stop the waste and reduce risk? Talk to your Spirax Sarco engineer for a demo. Driven by data, delivered by experts.